Welcome back to my channel, From My Table to Yours. Today we are going to make bruschetta. It is perfect for appetizers, game day, just pretty much anything that you want to do for it. So I have a loaf of white classic bread here, and we are going to slice it. I'm going to use about half the loaf. Just cut it in half there. And today we're going to use some of my new NutriChef pans that I bought off of Amazon. They're very heavy, and I will put the link down in the description. And let's get started. So we are going to cut our bread into little slices. These are so good, and I really enjoy them. And they're great if you don't want to cook a big meal and you want just something simple. This would be perfect. Make sure everybody hits like and subscribe. It is free. Now that we have these all sliced up, we are going to place them on the pan. Give them a little room. Okay, so we're going to want to preheat the oven to 350, which I have already done. Then we have our melted butter, and then we have some olive oil in there. Not much, just about a capful. Then we are going to put some parsley in. And then we're going to add some garlic salt. Not a lot, just a little bit. Then we are going to stir it up really good. And then we're going to go ahead and put it on our bread. Get that good flavor on the bread there. I was doing. Make sure you get it covered pretty good, and this helps give the bread some really good flavor. Okay, I'm gonna add some tomatoes on there, and then we're gonna we'll put it in the oven and let it cook until it's golden brown. This is so super easy and so good. Now that we have our tomatoes on, we will go ahead and put it in the oven. Now that we pulled these out, okay, now that they are cooked, what we're going to do is we're going to use some more of our butter and olive oil. We're going to go ahead and dab it on the top. I really like these pans. They're not nothing sticks to them, so it's really nice to be able to have something that works really well. And remember, guys, you can use these for anything. Any appetizers, you know, game day, whatever you feel you want. They're really good and they smell delicious. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe. It is free. Once we get all these on here, now we're going to put some shredded mozzarella cheese on.
Yeah.
Now that we have our cheese on, we're going to go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. You can either use the powder or you can use the stuff. And just put a little bit on there. Flavor. You can already see the cheese is melting on there. there you have it. Bruschettas. Okay, now that this is all done, just so you know, nobody can eat just one. So make sure you make extra, because these things are absolutely awesome. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try them. Oh yeah, that's absolutely awesome. So from my table to yours. See you next time.